In this video, I'll show you how to install a disposal air switch into the countertop in your kitchen so you can control it right from here. There's no electricity going into this switch, so you don't have to worry about being shocked. So let's take a look and see what's inside the box. Opening it up, there's a unit that's going to plug into the outlet I have underneath my sink, and then the disposal will plug into here. It's going to be controlled by an air hose that's attached here. So inside the bag, is the air hose, a nut, and the switch itself. The air hose will connect here on the bottom and be tightened up with this nut. The switch itself will be installed into a hole in the countertop. Let's go ahead and start the installation. I'm going to start by unthreading this nut. Taking off the stainless steel washer. That'll be reinstalled with the nut. And then there's two rubber gaskets. I'm going to take one of these off and leave one. One will be used to seal, the one that remains will be used to seal against the countertop, and the other one will be used from underneath. Now before I put this in and install it, I want to go ahead and connect the air hose. Next, I'm going to install the air hose onto this nipple on the bottom of the switch. There's a nut to secure the air hose. On the side that doesn't have threads internal, I'm going to push the air hose through. Then attach the air hose to the nipple. And then tighten the nut. I'm going to take the air hose and drop it down through the hole. And now I've got the air switch with a rubber gasket and the hose going down through the hole. I'll come in from underneath and attach a rubber gasket, the stainless steel washer, and then the nut to secure everything in place. I've got the rubber gasket, stainless steel washer, and plastic nut slid over the air hose. And now I can install them to tighten everything up. I put a heavy object on top to hold the float switch in place. Next, I'm going to take the plug and attach the air hose onto the nipple on the bottom. I could cut off the excess air hose. I'm just going to wrap it around the outlet to keep it out of the way. And then plug it in to the outlet. Now I'm ready to test it. I'm going to use an outlet tester. These lights will turn on if everything's connected properly when I hit the switch. Pressing the button. Turns it on, pressing it again, turns it off. Everything's connected properly, and now I can install my disposal. Be sure to check out my next video on how to install a garbage disposal. There's a link at the top of the screen. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button and let me know in the comments. Also, you can subscribe to my channel for more helpful tips. Thanks.